Earth is flat. Forget the flat Earth theory. Earth is actually a sphere, slightly bulging at the equator and flattened at the poles. Think of an orange. That's a much better model. This shape is why ships disappear hull first over the horizon, their bodies slowly sinking out of sight as the curve of the Earth carries them away. Scientific observations and space travel have confirmed this for centuries, so you can ditch the flat Earth map. Only a small part of Earth has liquid water. Earth isn't just a blue marble in space. It's a true water planet. Over 70% of its surface is covered by vast oceans, teeming with life. But water doesn't stop there. It's locked away in majestic glaciers and ice caps, fills sparkling lakes and meandering rivers, and even resides deep underground in hidden aquifers. No matter where you look on Earth, you're likely not far from some form of this precious resource. The Earth is the only planet with life. The question of life beyond Earth has captivated humanity for ages. While we haven't found a definitive yes yet, the search is on. Scientists are constantly discovering new planets, many within habitable zones, areas with conditions that could potentially support life as we know it. Powerful telescopes are scanning these distant worlds, searching for signs of water, atmospheres, and other clues that might indicate the possibility of life. The universe is vast, and the hunt for extraterrestrial companions continues. The moon has a dark side. The moon doesn't have a dark side in the traditional sense. It's true that one side, often called the far side, always faces away from Earth as the moon rotates. But don't be fooled. Both sides experience sunlight over the course of a lunar month, each going through a 2-week cycle of day and night. So, while we on Earth only see one face of our moon, it gets its fair share of sunshine too. The Great Wall of China is visible from the space with the naked eye. The Great Wall of China is a truly awe-inspiring human achievement, a testament to human perseverance. However, despite its incredible size, it's not visible from space with the naked eye. Astronauts might be able to spot it with specialized equipment, but from orbit it blends in with the surrounding landscape. City lights at night, however, are much easier to see from space, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of human civilization twinkling on the blue marble. Earthquakes are rare and unpredictable. Earth is a dynamic planet, constantly shifting and moving. These movements cause earthquakes, which can range from tiny tremors we never feel to powerful events that can reshape landscapes. While predicting the exact timing and location of a major earthquake remains a challenge, scientists are making progress in understanding earthquake patterns. This knowledge helps us prepare for potential disasters and build earthquake-resistant structure. The Earth's core is solid rock. Our planet's core isn't a giant ball of solid rock. It's a super hot, dense sphere of mostly liquid iron and nickel. Imagine a fiery heart at the center of Earth. The immense pressure and heat keep the outer core molten, while the inner core experiences even greater pressure, causing it to solidify. This churning, molten core is what generates Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from harmful solar radiation. The Earth's continents were always in their current position. Continents aren't static, they're constantly on the move. Plate tectonics, the theory of giant slabs of rock, tectonic plates, moving across Earth's surface, explains how continents have drifted and collided over millions of years. This movement continues today, albeit very slowly, shaping the geography of our planet. It's responsible for mountain ranges, volcanoes, and even the shapes of the continents themselves. The Earth's atmosphere protects us from all harmful radiation. Earth's atmosphere acts as a protective shield, filtering out most harmful radiation from the sun. This allows life to thrive on our planet. However, some high-energy radiation, like X-rays and gamma rays, can still penetrate. That's where the ozone layer comes in, a fragile region in the upper atmosphere that absorbs much of this harmful radiation, safeguarding life on Earth. Protecting the ozone layer is crucial for maintaining a healthy planet. The Earth is getting hotter because the sun is getting hotter. Global warming is a pressing issue, but the sun isn't the main culprit. While the sun's output does fluctuate slightly over time, the primary driver of global warming is human activity. The burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, causing Earth's temperature to rise at an alarming rate. Understanding the true cause of global warming is crucial for taking action to mitigate its effects and protect our planet for future generations. Recycling doesn't make a difference. Recycling might seem like a small act, but it has a big impact. It's a crucial step in reducing waste and conserving resources. When we recycle materials like paper, plastic, and metal, we lessen our dependence on virgin resources and reduce the amount of waste going to landfills. Every recycled item makes a positive contribution. By making recycling a habit, we can help create a more sustainable future for our planet. Volcanoes only erupt with molten lava. Volcanoes are often associated with fiery lava flows, but these explosive mountains are much more diverse. While molten lava is a common sight, volcanoes can also erupt with ash, gas, and rock fragments. The type of eruption depends on the composition of the magma beneath the volcano. Some volcanoes erupt explosively, spewing ash high into the atmosphere, while others ooze slow-moving lava flows. Understanding the different types of volcanoes helps us predict their behavior and prepare for potential hazards. All deserts are hot and sandy. Deserts aren't just endless stretches of scorching sand dunes. They come in all shapes and sizes, and not all are scorching hot. Cold deserts, like the Gobi Desert in Asia, experience freezing temperatures in the winter. Polar deserts, like Antarctica, are covered in ice and snow. While sand dunes are a common desert feature, other deserts might have rocky landscapes or even vast salt flats. Despite the harsh conditions, deserts are surprisingly home to a variety of adapted plants and animals. Mountains are formed due to volcanic eruptions. Mountains aren't formed overnight by volcanic eruptions. These majestic landforms are created over millions of years by the movement of Earth's tectonic plates. As plates collide or slide past each other, the immense pressure forces the rock upwards, slowly building mountains. Erosion by wind, water, and glaciers further shapes these towering peaks. Understanding how mountains form helps us appreciate the incredible timescales involved in shaping our planet's geology. The Earth is defenseless against asteroids. While asteroids and comets whiz through space, Earth has a strong defense system, our atmosphere. This protective layer burns up most small objects before they reach the surface. Only very large objects, like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, have a chance of impacting Earth. Thankfully, such events are extremely rare. Additionally, space agencies track potentially hazardous asteroids, allowing us to take preventative measures if needed. So, while asteroids are a reminder of the dynamic nature of our solar system, there's no need to panic. Earth is well equipped to handle most space debris. The Earth is perfectly round. While Earth appears round from space, it is not a perfect sphere. Due to its rotation, Earth is an oblate spheroid, meaning it is slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. This shape is caused by the centrifugal force exerted as Earth spins on its axis. Climate change is just a natural cycle. While Earth has experienced natural climate fluctuations throughout its history, the current trend of rapid warming is primarily due to human activities, such as the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation. These actions increase the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, leading to unprecedented changes in global temperatures and weather patterns. Thunderstorms always produce rain. Not all thunderstorms result in rain reaching the ground. Sometimes the rain evaporates before it can fall, a phenomenon known as virga. Thunderstorms can also produce hail or sleet instead of rain. Additionally, dry thunderstorms, which are common in arid regions, can create lightning without significant rainfall, posing a wildfire risk. Understanding these variations helps in weather forecasting and preparedness.